Did you know you can grow juicy strawberries at home with just a few simple hacks? Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these 10 gardening tips will transform your home garden into a strawberry paradise. Hey there, green thumbs! Welcome back to Channel Name, where we turn your gardening dreams into reality. Today we're diving into 10 genius gardening hacks that actually work, plus a step-by-step guide to growing strawberries at home. Whether you have a backyard or just a small balcony, these tips are for you! Now y'all know I love to start with a good foundation, and when it comes to gardening, that foundation is the soil. It's the bedrock of any successful garden. Strawberries thrive in well-draining soil, something that lets their roots breathe and doesn't get waterlogged. This is crucial because waterlogged soil can lead to root rot and other issues. You can buy pre-made mixes, but I like to make my own. It gives me control over what goes into it and ensures the best quality. It's like baking a cake, you know? Each ingredient brings something special to the table. Just like how flour, sugar, and eggs make a cake, each component of our soil mix has a unique role. We're aiming for a mix that's light and airy so our strawberry roots can stretch out and grow strong. This helps the plants to establish themselves quickly and produce more fruit. First up, we've got compost. This is the backbone of our mix. Think of this as the nutrient-rich good stuff, full of all the good things your strawberries need to thrive. It's packed with organic matter and beneficial microbes. Next, we're adding in some cocoa peat. This is a fantastic addition. It's just coconut fiber and it works wonders for drainage and water retention. It helps keep the soil moist but not soggy, which is perfect for strawberries. And finally, a touch of sand for even better drainage. Sand ensures that excess water can escape, preventing root rot. Mix it all up real good, and there you have it. The perfect soil mix to get your strawberries off to a happy, healthy start. With this mix, you're setting the stage for a bountiful harvest. Life can get busy, can't it? Between work, family, and all the little things that pop up, it feels like there's never enough time in the day. We're all juggling a million things, and sometimes our plant babies might get a little neglected. Those once vibrant leaves start to droop, and we feel a pang of guilt. Don't worry, I've got a hack for that. It's simple, effective, and will give you peace of mind. We're gonna make our own self-watering pots, and it's easier than you think. No fancy equipment needed, just a few household items. All you need is a plastic bottle, something we've all got lying around. It's a great way to recycle and give new life to old materials. Just make sure it's clean and empty. Rinse it out thoroughly to remove any residue. Carefully poke a few small holes in the bottom of the bottle. These holes will allow the water to slowly seep out. Fill your pot with that beautiful soil mix we made earlier, leaving a little space at the top. This will ensure the roots have room to breathe. Then take your prepped bottle, fill it with water, and carefully nestle it neck down into the soil. Make sure it's secure and won't tip over. Make sure the bottle is buried deep enough that the water won't evaporate too quickly. This will keep the soil consistently moist. The soil will slowly absorb water from the bottle as needed, keeping your strawberries hydrated even if you forget to water them for a day or two. It's a lifesaver for busy gardeners. It's like having a little helper in the garden, making sure your plants are always happy and hydrated. Your garden will thrive, and you'll have one less thing to worry about. Instead of tossing those eggshells in the trash, we're gonna turn them into plant food. Eggshells are little treasure chests of calcium, essential for strong cell walls in plants. It helps prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers, and it gives our strawberries a boost of strength and vitality. So next time you're whipping up a batch of biscuits or scrambling some eggs, save those shells. Once you've got a good handful, simply crush them up. You can use a rolling pin, your hands, whatever works best for you. Just don't crush them too finely. We want some decent-sized pieces in there. Sprinkle those crushed eggshells around the base of your strawberry plants and gently work them into the top layer of soil. It's like giving your plants a little calcium boost, and it's all natural and good for the environment. Let's talk about companion planting. It's like creating a little community in your garden where plants help each other thrive. It's a natural way to deter pests, improve soil health, and even enhance the flavor of your crops. Strawberries have some good buddies in the plant world. Basil and thyme, they're like the best friends a strawberry could ask for. Basil helps repel aphids and spider mites, and it can enhance the flavor of your strawberries. Thyme repels whiteflies and cabbage worms, and it also attracts beneficial insects like ladybugs. So when you're planting your strawberries, tuck in a few basil and thyme plants nearby. you'll be rewarded with healthier plants and tastier berries. Not everyone's got acres of land to work with, and that's okay. You can still have a bountiful strawberry harvest, even if you've just got a small balcony or patio. The secret? Vertical gardening. It's all about thinking outside the traditional garden bed and utilizing vertical space. You can use hanging planters, trellises, even repurposed pallets to create a stunning vertical garden that's both functional and beautiful. Vertical gardening not only saves space, but it also improves air circulation around your plants, reduces the risk of soil-borne diseases, and makes harvesting a breeze. Plus, it adds a touch of whimsy and charm to your outdoor space. Our strawberry plants love coffee just as much as we do. Well, maybe not in the same way, but those used coffee grounds, they're like magic for your garden. Coffee grounds are a natural source of nitrogen, a key nutrient that promotes healthy leaf growth in plants. And when it comes to strawberries, we want those leaves big and strong to soak up all that sunshine and produce those delicious berries. So, instead of tossing those coffee grounds in the trash, sprinkle them around the base of your strawberry plants. Just a light dusting will do. We don't want to overdo it. You can also mix the coffee grounds into your compost pile, where they'll continue to break down and release nutrients into the soil. Coffee grounds also act as a natural slug repellent. Those slimy little critters can't stand the smell of coffee, so they'll steer clear of your precious strawberry plants. This next hack is a game changer, I'm telling you. It's the straw mulch trick, and it's about to revolutionize the way you grow strawberries. Straw mulch helps retain moisture in the soil so you don't have to water as often. It suppresses weeds, so your strawberry plants don't have to compete for nutrients. And here's the best part. It keeps those precious berries clean and dry, preventing them from rotting on the damp ground. Simply spread a layer of straw around your strawberry plants, about 2 to 3 inches thick. Make sure to leave a little space around the base of the plant to prevent rot. This simple hack will save you time, water, and frustration. Your strawberry plants will reward you with an abundance of juicy, delicious berries. Just like we need a little trim now and then, so do our strawberry plants. Pruning might seem a little intimidating, but I promise, it's not as scary as it sounds. It's one of the best things you can do to encourage your strawberries to produce more fruit. Those runners, those long stems that strawberry plants send out, they're like little energy vampires. They're constantly searching for new places to root and grow, which diverts energy away from fruit production. Simply snip them off close to the base of the plant using clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears. And while you're at it, take a look at the leaves. If you see any that are yellowing, wilting, or diseased, go ahead and remove those as well. Nobody wants to share their hard-earned strawberries with a bunch of pesky insects, right? Those juicy red berries are meant for us to enjoy, not for bugs to feast on. But using harsh chemicals in the garden, that just doesn't sit right with me. These chemicals can harm the environment, our health, and even the beneficial insects that help our gardens thrive. I prefer to keep things natural, and thankfully there are plenty of effective natural pest control methods out there. These methods are not only safer, but also sustainable and eco-friendly. Neem oil is a natural insecticide and fungicide, effective against a wide range of pests, including aphids, mites, and whiteflies. It's derived from the seeds of the neem tree and has been used for centuries. Simply mix a tablespoon or 2 of neem oil with a quart of water. Add a drop of dish soap to help it emulsify and spray it on your strawberry plants. This mixture will help keep those pesky insects at bay. Another one of my favorite natural pest control methods is garlic spray. Garlic has natural insect-repelling properties. Garlic repels a variety of insects, including aphids, beetles, and caterpillars. Plus, it's easy to make at home. Simply blend a few cloves of garlic with water, strain the mixture, and spray it on your plants. This will create a barrier that insects find unappealing. Keep your garden clean, remove any diseased plant material, and attract beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings to your garden. These insects are natural predators of many common garden pests. They're like Mother Nature's pest control, working tirelessly to keep your garden healthy and pest-free. Embrace these natural methods and enjoy a thriving, chemical-free garden. We've made it to the best part, harvesting. There's nothing quite like plucking a ripe, juicy strawberry from the vine and popping it straight into your mouth. But there's a bit of an art to harvesting strawberries, and knowing when to pick them is key to getting the most flavor. Strawberries don't ripen after they've been picked, so it's important to wait until they're perfectly ripe. Look for berries that are fully red with no white or green shoulders. They should be slightly soft to the touch, but not mushy. The best time to harvest strawberries is in the morning, after the dew has dried, but before the sun gets too hot. When picking strawberries, gently pinch the stem just above the berry using your thumb and forefinger. This will prevent damage to the plant and ensure that you don't accidentally pull up any unripe berries. Now it's your turn. Try these hacks and let me know how your strawberries turn out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips that actually work. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below with your favorite hack. Until next time, happy gardening.